Are you wondering what is the video quality in real life on this mini body camera and if it's actually any good? So first, when it comes to resolution, a lot of these listings claim that these cameras are actually 4K, but that's actually not true. So the resolution of the camera actually is full HD. So basically, no matter which listing you purchase, again, you will only get the full HD resolution on these cameras, essentially. So when it comes to the video quality itself, also if you are expecting maybe similar quality as on maybe like $500 or $400 DJI or GoPro cameras, then obviously I have some bad news. We really have to consider how much the thing costs. By the way, if you are looking to get it, in the description I'll include special discount link that you can use to get it for only $10 with free shipping from AliExpress. So this is actually where I got mine from. So and let's check out the video quality. I have basically recorded a few clips so you can see for yourself what it actually looks like. Okay. When it comes to negatives, if you have extremely bright sunlight, so basically shining directly at the basically lens, it likes to overblow, basically like white objects. So you see, basically, if you have like sunlight basically shining, so it's the image suffers a bit. But yeah, for what it is, I think for this price, yeah, pretty acceptable quality here. So also, for example, if you want to record yourself as well, so obviously we can simply move this lens around and you can use it in pretty much any way. So if you were to record yourself, this is...
So definitely for this price, probably acceptable enough if you do not have very high expectations. So just for basic stuff, just for documenting stuff, also maybe security. So yeah, plenty enough probably. And this is what the
so yep, also we obviously have a microphone here as well and can record sound as well. Also this camera actually has got night vision as well, so yep, you can even record at night with it. So again, another video, so in complete darkness. So
and this is what the night vision looks like. So again, it's pretty much completely dark here, so we can film it very dark as well. And
so yeah, it's actually pretty cool. We can actually record in night vision as well. And one more last video. So when it gets exposed again to very bright objects, it sometimes gets a bit confused. You'll see it basically. So the dynamic range obviously isn't the most advanced. But you see, just for basic stuff, for documenting and for evidence, so probably decent enough, right? So yeah, this is what you can actually get on this camera. So again, basically some listings claim that these cameras are 4K. For example, this one over here, it says 4K, but again, I have actually used a couple of these mini body cameras. Again, that's not 4K quality. Also basically basically on a decent camera, basically full HD quality would be even better than this one. So again, yeah, do not believe those numbers. So again, this is actually the full HD quality. And overall, is this camera actually worth it? So when it comes to video quality, again, definitely if you were expecting to get same video quality as on maybe literally the high-end cameras, maybe 400 or 500 DJI or the GoPro, then obviously, as you saw, the quality isn't like that. So again, I think this is mainly used for security purpose and also simply to document something. So for that, so for evidence, again, so probably no complaints, and you can definitely see everything there very well. Again, maybe just for basic vlogs as well. So if you quickly need to record something, probably decent enough. Oh, also the battery life is actually very decent on this camera as well, but you actually need to turn off the screen for the claimed specs. So in the specs, I think they claim it 6 or 7 hours. So you see, once you start record, you can also turn off the screen, and then the battery life also will be excellent. And obviously we can also feed it from a power bank as well, so we can essentially get it to run pretty much indefinitely. Also we can connect this to a PC and also use it as a webcam as well. So for the price which this camera costs, I think it's actually very decent. Again, if you want to get it for a similar price like this one, simply check out the special discount links in the description. That again is directly from the manufacturer who makes this at the cheapest possible price. Also, I'll probably manage to get some extra coupons you can use on AliExpress to maybe even like bring this price down further for this price. Yeah, can't complain at all. Good luck.